the simplicity and everything is amazing.
We're pattern makers, so we make molds for foundries. We do vacuum form patterns. Even some of the bigger customers, they don't put draft on the model, and it's a lot of work to go in and add that in. Before we were using SpaceClaim, we used Mastercam. There was some editing that we couldn't get done.
Yeah, I am a beginner, I would say. I've always had the problem of having the complications of not understanding of how the software works.
Sometimes I use it from scratch. If I have a job and I don't have a drawing, I'll go ahead and start my drawing completely in SpaceClaim. Like sometimes we get a 2D DXF and I'm able to quickly take that and rotate it or do whatever we have to do, extrude it to get it into a 3D model. Well, being able to move geometry is much easier in SpaceClaim than it is in other softwares. Just being able to grab a surface and pull it and have everything come with it. For foundry patterns, if it's an offset pattern, it's pretty easy to create a surface. We've used it for our drawings, and it's nice. The shop drawings, they're nice and colorful, and you hand them to the guys and they can read them easily.
You can hover over anything and it will explain what you need to do, what it does. One of the things that I had to do was add stock draft, and I was never able to do that in any other software because I didn't know how, and SpaceClaim was so much easier and so much better to learn for a beginner in my eyes.
The jobs I had in the beginning, I almost figured what I was going to save on these 4 or 5 jobs was going to pay for the software. So that's why I invested in it. We found with SpaceClaim we were able to do editing that we couldn't do and saved a lot of time.